Hello, my name is Oliver from the Xzibit support team, and in this video I will show you how to export and prepare your 3D model for the use in Xzibit. I've already opened up a 3D model in a 3D modeling software. In this case it's the software Cinema 4D, but you can export 3D models via any 3D modeling software or CAD software you are using. Most of them are capable of exporting FBX files, which is the file format necessary for the use in Xzibit. When you have prepared your 3D model in any way necessary, please make sure that the polygon count of your model doesn't exceed a certain number. Please take note that the more polygons you use and the tighter the mesh of the model is, the more loading time it will need to download the model for other participants in the room. This model has a poly count of about 340,000 polygons, which is absolutely fine for Xzibit to handle. Therefore, there is no need to build your model around a super low resolution. Additionally, I added a couple of animations to this model. First of all, an idle animation, so there is no moving part on the model itself. Then there is an animation called Head Out, which is moving the head of the model upwards, another animation called Head In, which is basically the reverse of the first one, and finally a walk animation. As in any 3D modeling program, you can assign different materials to selections and parts. These materials can include metallic and reflective surfaces, as well as color and transparency information. Once these are prepared and defined, you can export your 3D model as an FBX. Here in Cinema 4D, it's a simple export button. I will choose the FBX file extension. Next, I will choose the current FBX version. Also, please make sure that if there are animations included, you include these into your export features as well as materials and textures. Once this is done, I'll export it to save this file as an FBX. The last thing I have to do is to put the FBX into a zip file. This is needed because Xzibit is only able to read FBX files which are zipped. Please make sure that you don't try to upload an unzipped FBX file. Once the zipping is done, I can name the zip file. I've already made one earlier, so let's call this Doggy2. And now I'm ready to upload this file to Xzibit. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.